Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert blank rows quickly within your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, here, if I want to insert a blank row within my data, so one method is just select the row and then press Control plus. Again, select the row and then press Control plus and repeat this process again and again. Imagine you have 1,000 of rows, then you have to repeat this process for 1,000 times. Definitely, we don't want to do this. So if I just delete those blank rows, and then what I will do, I will press 1, 2, and then select those, double click here, and then copy all those numbers and then paste underneath, and then select all those numbers by Control Shift and down arrow, and then I will go to Data tab, and from here you can see the sort option, smallest to largest. If I click this one, a window will pop up. So I'll just press sort. Okay. And now you can see a blank row has been added after each filled row. So I will just delete those numbers and now you are done. I have inserted the blank rows within a matter of a few seconds. So imagine you have thousands of rows. You can do this within a matter of seconds to avoid all the hard work. So this was the tip which was learned from my professional colleague Fahim. So I dedicate this video to him. So if you want to watch more tips and tricks, so stay tuned on this channel.